Bye, sir.
That phone call was from Greece.
Is it? Okay.
Don't know what.
Right, bye-bye.
Yes, Chucks. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Alligator.
Alligator.
Bye-bye. Right. Need to lock you in.
Kiss me.
Already done that once. Hi, darling.
Can I not get second one?
Well, they're scarce.
Right, bye-bye now.
Locking the door?
I'll lock the door.
You lock the door. Yeah, I want to lock the door. Well, it shouldn't work for.
Bye-bye. Kukunin na natin tong ating mga sinampay. It's because, look at that. It's looking hungry. Buti na lang talaga uminit ngayon, or hindi umulan at least. Pero malamig pa rin yung hangin, mga loves. Uy, iwan ko ba anong nangyayari sa weather ng UK. It's just a bit grumpy. We needed 2 lemon, mga loves, kaya bumalik ako dito sa ating lemon tree. And I'm just gonna twist it. Hindi pa naman talaga to masyadong ready, but we need 2 lemon, so forgive me. We're not quite ready. Hindi na pala natin kailangan yung scissors. That's locked. Ito din kasi yung problema niya, mga palangga. Meron siyang ganito. I don't know what it is, but kaya I decided to pick the lemon. Anyway, let's go. Oh, where's my recipe? I printed out the recipe online, so I think it's still in the printer. Yep. Hopefully yung butter natin soft na siya. May naamoy talaga akong usok. Amoy usok ba? Kasi yung kapitbahay namin, nag-ano sila, nagsunog ng something. I don't know what it is, but it's so smelly. Let's check how soft is the butter. Kasi we needed 125 grams of butter. Hindi pa siya masyadong soft talaga, mga palangga. Sa gilid ng butter, mafe-feel mo talaga na soft siya, pero yung gitna, nope. It's not quite there. It, they are clean. Ang technique ko pala, mga palangga, para mabilis mag-soften yung butter is I got a dish here and nilagyan siya ng tubig. I microwave it para uminit yung dish, and then ginaganito ko siya. Yan. And dahil mainit yung microwave, nilagay ko siya dyan para mag-soften yung butter. Ito na, magsisimula na tayo magluto. So, ito na, kompleto na yung butter natin. So, we got 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of sugar, 200 grams of plain flour, 2 egg, and lemon with the zest in it. And meron tayong salt. Just a pinch of salt. So first dito, sabi dito na in a bowl, beat the soft butter with sugar until creamy. So let's do it. So manual lang tayo. Manual. Let's see. Kung kaya ba ng manual. Medyo matatagalan tayo dito mga palangga. But exercise na rin to. Bakit ba pinahihirapan yung sarili ko? Nag-change yung mind ko mga loves. Nagamit tayo ng electric para mas mabilis. Lalagay ko na rin yung lemon juice. Okay mga palangga, kulang pala tayo ng baking powder. Buti na lang, nalala ko. So, mix ko yung flour. So, baking powder, 1½ teaspoon. 1, 2, then we need to mix it as well with the salt. A pinch of salt. Yan. So, mix lang natin. And then, we're gonna mix our flour. And that's it. Dito, nilagyan ko siya ng butter and flour. Iwan ko mga palangga kung ano yung kakalabasan nito, but hindi naman tayo baker. So every time talaga kung niluluto ako ng cake or something, iba talaga yung mukha paglabas sa oven. Yung expectation versus reality ba, ibang-iba talaga. Alright, that's it mga palangga. See you later! Ito na yung aking lemon cake. Yan. Diba? Mukhang masarap. Okay naman siguro. What do you think mga loves? Kayo na yung mag-judge. Nandito na si Mr. Hello! Look at you, smiling. Hello!
I can smell my dinner.
I can smell your dinner.
Oh, we've got a lemon cake.
Lemon cake, yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, close the
I'm
door.
going to put this up back in the This is a left-handed cut. This is for a right-handed person. You see? Not too much. Is that greedy?
Whatever, you can eat the whole loaf.
No. Are you interested in a slice?
Come on, taste it.
With your lemon
That's
cake.
your second slice.
She lies. It was this long. She had the first slice. She had the yummy crunchy bit in. Very lemony.
Is it alright?
Very good. Where did you buy it?
Buy it. They send me making it. You're not very appreciative.
Of course I am.
That's really bad. This is not my favorite cup.
Well, you don't bring it down, do you?
Ito yung hinahanap ko kanina, itong cup na to. Paborito ko to kasi sobrang malaking value to sa akin. Very sentimental to sa akin kasi ever since na nagtatrabaho ako as a care assistant, ito na yung ginagamit ko na cup. Dinala ko to sa care home. So, I was there for 3 years and then nag-close down yung care home and then I started my nursing and then I still got this. So, yeah. Namimiss ko yung mga katrabaho ko, mga palangga, kasi from there, I learned a lot. Madami silang tinuro sa akin and I'm so grateful na meron ako mga katrabaho na sobrang mababait and they are very supportive to me. So, kasi doon kasi ako nagsimula ba sa care home. So, yung care home is parang naging foundation siya kung nasaan ako ngayon. So, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung care home at malaking bagay yun na nagsimula ako as a caregiver and then to now. Sus na ko. Nakakamiss sila as in. Anyway, meron pala nag-comment about dito. Ito, nagtanong lang siya kung saan ko ba daw ito binili. Itong manual blood pressure ko. So, itong manual blood pressure ko, itong mga equipment ko, sa Amazon to lahat mga labs. So, yeah, hindi ko naman to talaga ginagamit. Bumili lang ako ng manual blood pressure nung nasa community ako, nung na-assign ako sa community kasi meron din akong electric na blood pressure pero mas bet ko yung electric. Pero I would say na competent na ako sa paggamit ng talaga ng manual blood pressure kasi nung sa community, ang ginagamit talaga nila is manual blood pressure pero kung nasa hospital ka, electronic talaga. But yeah, it's a good skills to have just in case ba na kailangan mong kunan talaga ng manual blood pressure yung pasyente. So yeah, it's all in Amazon. I don't know what you have in the Philippines. Meron bang Amazon sa Pilipinas? Meron na ata siguro. Uy, kung wala, meron naman mga Shopee, kung ano-ano pa yung mga available dyan. I'm pretty sure maraming mga online sites na pwedeng pagbilhan ng mga ganitong equipment. Okay? That's it for now.